to see the cherry blossom.
Jamsil was promoting its beautiful cherry blossom sightseeing at the Seokchon Lake through social media. The lake is located near Lotte World and is a great place to take a walk.
But as you can see in the video, there are so many people just walking down, and there are security guards everywhere trying to move the crowd.
There are more people than flowers.
This is the reality. So during the cherry blossom season, I would recommend if you guys are going to see the awesome cherry blossom in Korea, then you would have to find a local area where there are a lot of trees, maybe some streams. Those places are way better because it would be quieter and less people. So you can put your tripod. That was my plan for today, but obviously I failed, so we'll get him next time.
After we finished seeing the cherry blossoms, we felt hungry, so we decided to eat lamb skewers near Jamsil. The restaurant is called Hansung and it serves great quality meals at a reasonable price. I think it's a chain, and the servers were from China, making it extra authentic. You can grill your fresh meat yourself, and the machine will turn the skewers for you. That was pretty neat, and the lamb was juicy, and I really enjoyed eating the mapa tofu and the chili fried shrimps.
That was a good dinner though, despite all the commotions at the cherry blossom site.
Dinner was great, and then it was time to celebrate my birthday. My friends and I met up in Hongdae, and we decided to treat ourselves to some inexpensive drinks. Mike's cabin was a lot of fun, and I think I got home around 4 a.m. There you have it, my journey from Jamsil cherry blossom to Hongdae nightlife. Thanks for tuning in, and subscribe if you want to see more. See you next time.